Yes, good morning, students. Today we are going to see the topic about demand. So, what is demand analysis? First, we know the meaning of demand. But demand means usually our wants, that is only demand in the general thing. But in economics mode, not only the desire, and also it is a we are buying some goods means we are having some capacity. Here the capacity means we are having that much of amount of money only. Then only we will fulfill our desire. So buyback capacity, that is willing to buy, and then our capacity, it is called only demand in economics. So this is the meaning of demand in economic terms. After that, law of demand. Law of demand means usually each and every law having some assumptions also. So in this law also having some assumptions. Other things remaining unchanged. That is the major assumption of this theory, law of demand theory. So here the other things means if the demand will changes, other things, related things or the determinants of demand. For example, income of the people, advertisements, and then taste and preference of the consumer, and government intervention, and substitute goods price, and then complementary goods price, and then future price. So these all are other things. These all are constant. That is called ceteris paribus in economic terms. So other things remaining unchanged only, the law of demand is applicable. Only price only influence the demand. So here the law of demand means if price will increases, the demand will decreases, because people always going to buy the goods with the budget price or budget items only. If the price will increases, they did not buy that product. That is why if price will increases, the demand will decreases. If suppose price will decreases, the demand will increases. In the same way, if the price will increases, the demand will decreases. This is called law of demand. The inverse relationship between price and demand. This is called law of demand only. Then demand curve. So before we see the demand curve, what are the assumptions means? These are the assumption only. Other things are remaining unchanged. That is only the major assumption. So after demand curve, we see it will always the left to right only. It will downward slope only. Why? Because of the first reason is law of diminishing marginal utility is applicable for law of demand. So diminishing marginal utility theory. If the consumer is consume more and more goods, his total utility will be increases, but the additional utility, that is called marginal utility, will be declined. That is called law of diminishing marginal utility. So this is the major reason or first reason the demand curve will slopes downwards. And the next one, this is the inverse related. Price and demand is inverse related. That is why if price increases and then demand will decreases. So in the diagrammatic explanation also, if in x-axis there is a demand of the quantity level, and then y-axis only the price level. In y-axis 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Likewise, the price will be increases. What happened in the demand, that is in the x-axis, it will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So decline only. If the price will increases, the demand will decline. That is why the law of demand will applicable and the demand curve slope downwards. And the other things are remaining unchanged. Already we seen other things. That is only the assumption. For example, the advertisement in the future income, or the taste and preference of the people, or the complementary goods price, and then substitute goods or price. So these all are other things. Other determinants are constant. So these are the reason only. The demand curve always slope downwards only. So these are the reasons or downwards. Demand curve always downwards or the negative only. So already I gave the description is what is demand and what is the demand analysis. What do you mean by law of demand and assumption of law of demand? So these are in the part 1 demand analysis. In the next class, we will analyze what is the importance of demand analysis and types of demand and then elasticity of demand. Yes, thank you, students. Kindly post your comments. If you have any doubt, ask me. I will explain. Thank you.